So are you on your way to Sheraton Vistana Villages here in Orlando, Florida, and you want to see what a one-bedroom deluxe villa looks like? Well, stick around. I'm going to take you on a tour right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before we head inside here and take a look at this deluxe one-bedroom villa, it's actually kind of a hybrid between the standard and the premium. I want to let you know, on this channel, I provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And even if you don't own timeshare, but you love visiting these fantastic resort properties, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So be sure to stick around, hit the subscribe button down below, and also click on that notification bell, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So we're going to head inside here. It's Villa 15406 in Building 14 in the Key West phase to take a look at this deluxe one-bedroom villa. So as we head into this one-bedroom deluxe villa at Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando, Florida, the first thing we're going to enter into here is kind of a combination living room, dining room, and kitchen area. You do have pretty good sized living area here with a sofa that does pull out into a queen size sofa bed. You have a chair over there, a side table, some nice artwork, and a couple of ottomans / coffee table. There is also a large flat screen television atop a TV stand that also contains a Bose sound system. Also located in the living area here is a small utility closet, ironing board, vacuum cleaner, and dust broom and pan. It's also where you're going to find the trash can. Now as we move over from the living area, we're going to find the small dining room table. Just seats 4 here, and also has some really nice lighting up above it. And located right next to that, just before you head into the hallway that goes down towards the bathroom and bedroom, you do have a small kitchen area. Not a full kitchen, no oven here, only a 2-burner cooktop, small sink, coffee maker. There is also a toaster in one of the cupboards. It does come with a knife block, and a great thing, there is a dishwasher too. You also have here just kind of a mid-size refrigerator. It's not full size, but it's not kind of your normal bar size refrigerator. Good thing is it also has an ice maker. Inside the drawers and cupboards, you're going to find a full set of silverware, dinnerware, and glassware for at least 4 people. And there is also a set of pots and pans. Now moving on from the kitchenette area, we're going to find in the hallway a closet, which behind it you will find the in-room washer and dryer. Definitely nice to have in-room laundry in your villa here at Vistana Villages. Moving now into the bedroom, you do have a nice large king-size bed there, 2 nightstands, and a great thing about the nightstands here, they actually have plug-ins, outlets, USB, electrical outlets in the sides of those, so very easy to plug in your electronics while you're getting ready to go to bed. There is also a nice ceiling fan here to keep the air circulating, and down at the foot of the bed you're going to find a chest of drawers with a large flat screen television. And beside that television is where you'll find the bedroom closet. In here, an extra set of bedding, luggage rack, some hangers for hanging up some clothes, and where you'll find the in-room safe. Now that we've taken a look at the living areas of this one-bedroom deluxe villa, let's head in and take a look at the bathroom. Just a small bathroom here, single vanity, but you do have a nice lighted mirror. They do provide soaps in pump style, so they looks like they refill these or maybe just swap these large soaps out, and you're going to find the same thing actually in the shower, where you'll find shampoo, conditioner, and body wash hanging from the wall. Now that we've taken a look at the inside of the villa, let's head outside and take a look at the patio. So I've made it out here now to the patio of this deluxe 1-bedroom villa in the Key West phase at Sheraton Vistana Villages here in Orlando. And this is actually in building 14, so we do have a view here of the pool in the Key West phase. It does get a little bit noisy at night though. But as for this patio, you do have a table and 4 patio chairs. There is an overhead ceiling fan and an electrical outlet over there in the corner, so not too bad. A little bit small, kind of narrow, and these chairs and table, they're a fairly good size, I guess. I mean, they're not real small, but compared to the patio, they take up a lot of space. Kind of difficult to get in and out of the patio door and get around the table and chairs. So are you planning a trip here to Sheraton Vistana Villages, or do you have any questions about this resort? We're here an awful lot. If you do, be sure to leave those comments and questions down below. But if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video from Sheraton Vistana Villages here in Orlando, check out this one right up here, and YouTube. They think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.